Hello everybody. My new video is about unpacking Nokia Lumia 1020. I decided to try this phone because I'm a little bit tired of Android on my Xperia SP, because it's really good hardware in Xperia SP, but still it's lagging and restarting Android. So I wanted to try some new operation system, and I don't like Apple, I don't like iOS, so I decided to try Windows Phone. And we know that Nokia is a really good name, or was a really good name in mobile phones. But now, in last few years, with era of smartphones, it was a little bit worse, because Lumia or Nokia wasn't still capable to catch the concurrency with Androids. But now Microsoft bought Nokia, so maybe we are in the beginning of interesting era of new good phones with Windows Phone and Nokia working together. So I bought this phone, really good camera in white color, so we will see. Then I bought, of course, case for backside of the phone. I bought touch screen protection, and I bought, because I'm spending a lot of time outside, outdoors, and sometimes the new smartphones are really bad with battery capacity of their batteries. So I bought this external battery fuel. So I will write the review, or not write, but I will tell you the review about this outdoor 6000 milliampere hours external battery full active. And now let's do unpacking of Nokia. So you can see everything is new. Here we go. Well, I know some of you will write me to the comments that I'm really stupid, that Android is the best. Well, yeah, I know. I'm using Linux Ubuntu on my computer. I'm very satisfied with it. I started with HTC Wildfire with Android, so I spent whole my life with Androids. But last few weeks I was a little bit tired of it. So, well, let's see what's behind the Nokia with Windows Phone, especially with Windows Phone 8. So yeah, this is guarantee paper. The box is solid paper box. You can see this. Here is it. Let's open it. Yeah, I forget my tripod at home, and now I have to hold the camera in one hand and try to open the box with the other. Got the plastic, so let's open it. As you can see, I bought Lumia in white color because all my phones were black, and of course black is elegant and I like it. But yeah, I wanted to try a new. Yeah, okay. So here's the package, just inside this box. Nokia Lumia covered with plastics, white color. I hope nothing will be damaged. Okay, plastic. It's well, solid polycarbonate body. It's not as heavy as I supposed, as I thought. Okay, here we are. This is for the SIM card. I don't know if it's okay. Buttons, charge, touchscreen. Yeah. Here's the Nokia, some special tool. Nokia. And information box. Let's open it and look what's inside. There is a manual, and here is a charger cable, USB cable, and headset in the same color as phone is. Okay, so this is it. This is what's inside of the new Nokia Lumia box. Yeah, it looks good. I'm really looking forward to tell you about how it is, the new Lumia. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the camera. Okay, so thank you. Now this is the funniest part. I'm going to try the new phone. Well, I love unpacking of electronics, but this will be really cool because it's a new operation system for me and everything will be new, so I can discover what's inside. So now I will spend a few hours just playing with this phone. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Please don't be mad because the camera sometimes is really badly focusing and I'm holding it in my hand. And yeah, now I want to spend few days to using this phone, and then I will make a video with comparing the Windows Phone 8 or 8.1 and Android. So thanks and see you soon.